Hello. So welcome to this desk makeover slash building my art studio. So if you've been following me, you will notice that I've been filming in a different space, and that space is gonna be my new desk setup, art studio, my sticker shop workspace. So if you did not know, I launched my sticker and print shop. So yeah, if you want to follow this journey, you can subscribe. So here I have a foldable table. This was used to be my old desk, so I brought it here. And these I brought them from my bedroom to add a little bit of decoration. And here I have another foldable table. This is, my family used to use it for gardening, but they do not use it anymore, so it's for me. And this chair is my chair from the bedroom, so whenever I want to sit here, I drag it from my bedroom and bring it here. That basket, I'm using it as a footrest. Smart. So this is it's a disaster. Not a disaster, but I need to make it a little bit more organized. This is the biggest problem. I will figure out a way to make it more organized. For now, let's take it step by step. I don't need to figure everything right now. Yeah, let's just go and bring the desk. So this is my desk setup, and I love it so much. But the problem is that it does not have the best storage system. So thing has been on top of each other or on the floor, and it just been so messy. And I got this storage shelf from IKEA that I built in one of my previous vlog. So if you want to check that vlog, you can click up here. And it's been amazing for storage and as a working station for print and stickers. So I was gonna buy a completely new set of organizer for the new space because the space looked a little bit empty. But the thing is that I don't even sit that much on my old desk because I've been just sitting in the new room making like stickers and print. Plus that room have better lighting for filming, so I've been just spending most of the time there. So I just thought that I will move this desk to the other room rather than just buying new stuff. So I was not planning to buy any light until I decorate this place and then see what I can do about them or how I will decorate them. But I received these lights as a gift and they are so amazing, and I was so excited about them and I was impatient and I randomly just put them on the wall. Okay, so I had a small vision that with this shape it will be suitable for shelf. You know, you can hide the light under the shelf with this shape. Yeah, I don't know if that would work out, to be honest. Anyways, the thing is, the problem is, when I was trying to adjust the light, I was trying to move these connected dots because I did not put them in the right place. I just need to move them a little bit. If I accidentally peel the painting off the wall, yeah, the tape or the glue was so strong to the point it peeled the paint. So yeah, I was completely not happy with what happened, so I just kinda give up on that wall or the design and I just left it there for maybe a month because I know fixing that wall will take effort and time. Camera is not doing justice, but this is like a final result, kinda. I was gonna put them like here, but they are gonna stick to the roof. Thought here will be nice. I'm gonna have my laptop in the middle with the stand. So hopefully it will be nice. So it's like that, and I'm thinking to put something here. I thought maybe plants, but it will be too much. Maybe some painting. We will see. I don't know if I'm doing a great job, but this is the best of my abilities. So me and my family just did this part. So I'm gonna show you this part. Don't judge me. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just figuring things out with the process. Even if the process is wrong, it's okay. So first I want to clean the wall. I'm gonna clean it with this one, and then like just moving the dust, and then I'm gonna bring a towel and like clean it for the painting. So dusty in here. Hello, it is 12 a.m. So I started about like 1 or 2 p.m. and I've been working until like 9. About 9. I took some breaks between them. Anyways, I'm back. I can't sleep until I fix this. I did not expect the sanding part to be so messy. The whole room is just so dusty. So yeah, that's my printer. Can you see the dust? Anyway, I was thinking that I want to paint this wall. Oh, that's okay, I guess. It's not bad. I'm gonna give myself like an 8 out of 10 because there are some imperfections, but nobody's gonna know. Who's gonna know? Yeah. Now I can go and sleep. So tomorrow I'll just clean the dust and the mess. I have a lot of things to clean. Look at my printer. Oh, yeah. I was drying up the wall, so look at the floor. Okay, first I need to figure out the situation. So since I have this, so I'm gonna put everything here. I'm gonna try my best to organize them. Then I'm gonna get the wires from here, and I have these things, so I can put the wires through them without them falling. I really want the pink, but the pink is small, so I think I'm gonna put the orange one here. Yeah, that's so much better. See? To be honest, on the packaging here, the yellow is like a little bit strong or too saturated, but it is more pastel, which what I prefer. So a little story, I was gonna just buy this one because Cinnamoroll is my favorite character, but I never like own anything Melody or Kuromi. So I was like, okay, let's buy these two. But then my mind told me, just add two more and you will have like the whole collection. So I did it. She is so precious. Look at her. Does that not bring happiness? I also have these, so I have these two color, and I think this one kind of match the color of the painting, because this one is a little bit like red and this one is, yeah, I think this one will match better, so I might put it behind. I really want to put another painting, but I don't have like similar frame size, so maybe this one with like the cherry blossom with like a Japanese vibe. This one will be nice. I don't know how I'm gonna hang this, but let's see. I still feel like this corner needs something. She's not complete. We have a vision, but we need to bring her more to life. We need to kind of move things out, but yeah. This flower bothered me. She's beautiful, but she is not the right size. So this is the final result and I am so happy about it. It is cozy, it's so cute, and I love it so much. So I left the space empty because I want it to be a working space and I don't want it to be so crowded and messy because it's gonna be messy anyway. But one thing that I'm not 100% sure about is the light. I feel like they are a little bit in your face and I'm trying to achieve a smoother look, if you know what I mean. So the only way to hide them is by adding shelf, which I'm planning to do that in the future, but not anytime sooner because I'm still traumatized about what I did to the other wall. So I'm not ready to mess with another one yet. If you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want more art content, you can follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. And one last thing, don't forget to take care of your precious soul and body. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.